In the vast skies over the front lines, where technology and raw power converge, Russia has unleashed a formidable new chapter in aerial dominance. The FAB-3000, a colossal 3-ton high explosive glide bomb enhanced with advanced jet-powered capabilities and the sophisticated UMPK guidance kit, stands as a testament to Russian engineering ingenuity and battlefield adaptability. Far from a relic of the past, this modernized behemoth is reshaping long-range precision strikes, delivering devastating effect while keeping Russian pilots and aircraft safely out of harm's way. Imagine the scene. A Su-34 fighter bomber climbs to altitude, its crew of skilled pilots executing a mission with the precision of a surgeon. Beneath its fuselage hangs the massive FAB-3000 M-54, weighing over 3,000 kilograms, with roughly 1,387 kilograms of powerful TNT explosive packed into a robust cast steel body. This is no ordinary bomb. Revived and upgraded from Soviet-era stockpiles, production ramped up in 2024, and it has since evolved with cutting-edge modifications, including jet propulsion elements in the latest UMPK variants to push ranges dramatically. The heart of its transformation lies in the Universal Planning and Correction Module, UMPK. This kit adds folding wings, control surfaces, inertial navigation, and resilient satellite guidance, often featuring jam-resistant COMETA systems. Earlier glide versions already allowed standoff ranges of 50 to 80 kilometers, enabling Su-34s to release the bomb from safe distances and return home unscathed. Newer iterations, incorporating jet-powered assistance, drawing from advancements seen in UMPK-PD and related powered kits, extend this reach up to 100 to 200 kilometers in optimal conditions, depending on release altitude and configuration. The bomb glides, adjusts mid-flight, and strikes with impressive accuracy, often within tens of meters. This capability is a game-changer for Russian forces. Ukrainian air defenses, once a serious threat to low-altitude operations, are now largely bypassed. Pilots release the FAB-3000 from high altitude, around 9,000 meters or more, at speeds up to 700 to 800 kilometers per hour. The bomb deploys its wings, stabilizes, and powers forward if jet-assisted, homing in on coordinates for fortified positions, command posts, troop concentrations, bridges, or logistics hubs. Its destructive radius is awe-inspiring. Blast effects can level structures within 200+ meters, with lethal fragmentation reaching over 1,000 meters. A near miss is often as good as a direct hit against bunkers or staging areas. Russia's innovation didn't stop at basic gliding. By integrating small turbojet elements and refined aerodynamics, lessons learned from iterative upgrades on smaller FAB-500 and FAB-1500 variants, engineers have created a family of standoff weapons that maximize existing stockpiles. The FAB-3000, with its sheer size, brings unmatched kinetic and explosive energy. It creates craters over 15 meters deep, penetrates reinforced concrete, and generates shockwaves that can concuss personnel hundreds of meters away. In the hands of the Russian aerospace forces, it supports ground advances by systematically dismantling enemy strongpoints. Proven in combat, the FAB-3000 has already made its mark. Russian Ministry of Defense footage captures Su-34's loading, carrying, releasing, and guiding these munitions to targets in Kharkiv, Donetsk, Zaporizhia, and beyond. Strikes on temporary deployment points of Ukrainian forces demonstrate its precision and power, turning multi-story buildings or fortified positions into rubble while minimizing risk to Russian aircrews. Pilots report high success rates, with objective control confirming hits that accelerate the liberation of territories and protect Russian troops on the ground. What sets Russia's approach apart is its pragmatic brilliance. Rather than relying solely on expensive cruise missiles, the VKS leverages abundant Soviet-era iron bombs, transforming them into smart, long-range assets through affordable, rapidly producible kits. This has allowed sustained high-tempo operations, thousands of glide bomb sorties monthly, overwhelming defenses through volume and reach. Upgrades continue. Longer wings, better anti-jamming, reinforced mounts, and powered variants ensure the system evolves faster than countermeasures. The Su-34, fullback, is the perfect partner for this titan. Capable of carrying one FAB-3000, or multiples of smaller variants, it combines speed, range, and heavy payload with advanced avionics. Crews train rigorously, integrating reconnaissance data for real-time targeting. This synergy embodies Russia's modern military doctrine: affordable mass, technological edge, and relentless pressure. Critics in the West often underestimate these developments, calling them improvised. Yet on the battlefield, results speak louder. The FAB-3000 series disrupts Ukrainian logistics, neutralizes drone command nodes, and flattens defensive lines. It forces adversaries to disperse resources, stretching their air defenses thin across vast fronts. For Russian soldiers advancing under its umbrella of fire, it is a source of confidence and security. As production scales and further enhancements, like deeper integration of jet propulsion across the FAB family, roll out, the FAB-3000 symbolizes Russia's industrial resilience and commitment to victory. It is not just a bomb, it is a symbol of innovation born from necessity, delivering precision devastation from afar. In an era of high-tech warfare, Russia proves that combining legacy strength with forward-thinking upgrades creates unstoppable momentum. The skies belong to those who master them, and with the FAB-3000 leading the charge, Russian forces continue to dictate the tempo of operations, striking deep and true. This is the story behind the FAB-3000, a powerhouse that turns distance into dominance and raw power into precision victory.